that is. Wow. Wowie. Oh my. Halfway up the Malham tarn. Bit of puffing and panting. Right, 150 foot drop. Amazing. Is that peregrines? Sounds like it. Okay. This is the old dry valley. And 8% battery, got 2 spares. I remember climbing down that. Oh, it is. There's a route out of this little drive. Alright. Oh, look at these. Love it, this terrain. Corner, and there's this little gem as well. Oh, look at that little cave. There's some nice little crags up there. Out of Malham house grounds. Through a little canyon. Very nice. And, almost ready for a battery swap, I think. Huh. And there's the lake, or the tarn, I think. And there's a hare, some. Yeah. Wood carving. Ooh, look at those. They're poppies, aren't they? Look at those. They're nice, aren't they? Beautiful. Just come down the path from Malham. What are you doing there? The other. Right, so just swap batteries. We'll go up over this stile and that's down into Malham. Try not to fall off here. That's it. Got me strap caught. Yeah, you can really see those ancient field markings over there, and the edge of Malham Cove here, and the village, Malham village. Nice trail this. Never been down this one before. Woo, there's a lot of people on the cove. Look at that, Mother O'Reilly. Glad I came up this morning. My word. I bet there's 50 people up there. On top of the cove there. Yeah, so what have we done? 7.71 miles according to my smartwatch. So I came up to the left of the cove there, up the steps, really good steps. Very steep. I've never been down this trail before. Let's watch it here. That's it. And there's a cove. Let's go down here. You got a cough, sheepy? You got sneezes? Have you? You got sneezes? Yeah. Yes, another style. Sheepy's got a cough. Right, don't get your bum bag caught on here. Woo, bit hairy this. Bit high up. Sheepy's got a cough. Right, let's get down here. Oh, Stone Age or medieval. It's gone. Are you going with your mum?